Harold? Where's Harold? It's no water. Where's Ben? Where's Ben? Where's Ben? Where's Ben? Where's Ben? Ben! Ben! Who are you?
I'm John.
Where's Ben? Where's Ben?
I don't know where Ben is. Who's Ben?
Ben?
Who's Ben?
Ben's my crack dealer.
You're in luck.
So I was looking for Ben, my crack dealer, and then I saw this dude in white hoodie come out of nowhere. I was like, huh? He was like, So, you know, we met. I was like, yo, what are you looking for? I was like, oh, Ben. He was like, well, you're in luck. Well, that's what I need. I need a crack. So we went, we did our crack deal right there, and been friends ever since.
Yo, this kid just came through this alley. Like, who does that, dude? And then also, this kid's like, yeah, I'm looking for my crack deal. What? And then he had his shirt like he was some Humpty Dumpty. Like, what is this? What?
I can't believe this, man. Like, I thought this was my hood, man. Like, I've never been in this hood before. Look at it. The whole
Yeah,
beautiful land. Like, I could really take over this hood anytime I wanted to. It's
Hey,
kind of crazy.
Hey, yo, dog, I'm baffled. I am baffled that these young boys, these people came in my hood. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe they came in my hood. Strange, really strange. My hood, yo.
Nah, dog, this isn't your
Yo,
hood.
hey.
Oh!
Yo, dude.
Oh!
What you doing in my hood, bro? Like, this is
Hey,
crazy.
hey,
Yo, this is crazy.
Listen.
What are you doing in my hood? Yo, you think I care, bro? Like, you come up in my hood. Not anyone's from my hood. Oh. Oh, yeah, big boy. Oh, yeah. Oh.
I got you.
You try and come up in my hood. Try to come up in my hood. You try to come up in my hood. Oh, yeah. Oh, you're a strong one now. Oh, you're a strong one now.
I'm under fire.
Ah! Oh! 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 Whose hood is it?
It's my hood.
Whose hood is it?
It's my hood.
Lead the way.
Oh,
Whose hood is it?
sure, it's your hood, okay? Let me go. Get off of me. Hey, what's your problem? You drawing? What's your problem? Dang, it's your hood. You can keep this hood, but I keep it to Jersey 60. I don't even know who this dude is. Like, I just saw him today. I think his name was Earl or something like that. Eating Earl, something like that. I don't know, but he was weird. He was mad. He was mad and weird, fam. So I'm just sitting here. I'm just standing there. I see these young boys, these people come in my hood. You know, I had to lay out I had to lay it out. You know, I had to lay out my information on them with fists. You know, I had to go out there.
Me and John were walking around the corner, and I was like, oh, this is my hood. It's my hood. John's like, yeah, there's a lot of hoods around here. So I was like, yeah, well, I can make this my hood. Now out of nowhere, this massive guy just boom, pushes John on the floor. I'm like, oh, it's like that. So I went over to him, and I was like, this is my hood. You know, and we had a big fight, and it is indeed my hood. Oh. Nancy! Oh! Oh, you gained weight! Oh! 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 Oh, brother can't get no sleep. Oh, Nancy, nasty pig. Oh. Good morning, Rex. Oh! Oh, another day. Oh. Oh! Ah! Ah! Well, I'll be darned.
Hey man, you trying to kill me, man? What are you doing?
Gerald, where have you been?
Listen, man, I got a new job, and you know I'm away from the coffee shop, away from all
got out of
that.
the coffee shop?
Yeah, man, I'm tired
Man,
of
it's
that
about
place.
time, man.
I got the guts to finally quit and leave that place. The place was exhausting, man. It was awful.
Well, you don't come see me no more.
Yeah, man, it's because of my new job. You know, I'm real happy.
Job?
Yeah.
I'm not more important than a job?
Well, it's all about pizza for me now. Yeah, pizza. I opened my own pizza shop called Gerald's Supreme Pizza. Yeah. How about the sound of that? Isn't that nice? Gerald's Supreme Pizza.
Still an ignoramus.
Ignoramus? What do you mean an ignoramus? I mean,
You're still an ignoramus.
Well, if you ask me, you know, life has gotten so much better with pizza, tomato pies.
You didn't even bring me a pizza. Where's my pizza?
Yeah, ever since that party where that guy bought the pizza, man, I thought about it, and I wanted to take a chance and leave that coffee place and get the bigger slice of life, you know?
Yeah.
Big cheese. Now I got the sauce, man. Gerald Hemingway. Supreme Pizza.
Okay, you can leave.
Alright, so this is it, Carl. It's time for me to move on. Start my new life. Being a pizza shop owner. Oh man, I'm excited. It's gonna be a long journey, but you know what? I'm up for it. I can't wait. I'm excited.
Okay.
You know what I'll do? Since I think I'll be, you know, buying a new car, so you know what? Here's the keys to the car outside.
Oh.
I want you to take care of it for me, all right?
Oh.
Here's the keys.
It's for me?
Yes.
Oh my
Just
gosh.
for you, man. Oh, wait.
Ah, my ribs. Go in peace.
I wish I could leave in one piece, man. You're about to break me in half. But thank you.
Ocean man, take me by the hand, lead me to the land that you understand. Ocean man, the voyage to the corner of the globe is a real trip. Ocean man, the crust of a tan man, and by the sand, soaking up the thirst of the land. Ocean man, can you see through the wonder of amazement at the open man? Ocean man, the crust is elusive when it casts.
There's creatures here out here, or a creature at least.
That's what I heard. It's not over there, and it's not over here, and I can't see it over there either. And it's not over there, or over there.
I mean, finding these creatures in here is like tons of rewards, man. It's really crazy.
I hear you,
Heck is
bro.
all the good for? Here's the creature list.
I hear you, bro. Ham, think about it. We could be like famous and stuff on TV, movies, magazine deals.
Yeah.
Albert Einstein, who? Stephen King, who? Think about it. We could be even bigger than them. It'll be great, I'm
Just
telling
gotta
you.
find this creature. Hey, look at that, it's a snake.
That's certainly a snake, all right.
Come here, buddy.
Whoa. Get a load of this.
For this story. It's not the creature. It's a snake. You don't see them that often in these woods.
Yeah, pretty rare. Wonder what it's doing here. Holy smoke. Came from over there.
Watch Crackhead Carl only on the Crackhead Studios YouTube channel.